Hello, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Shiva Prasad Dulal.
Where do you live?
I live Ilam, Nepal.
Ilam, Nepal. How old are you?
I am 32 years old.
Okay, what is your education level?
I am education level is SLC pass.
Tell me your height.
5 feet, weight 65 kg.
Okay. What is your work experience?
Kilner,
Where?
Malaysia 4 years factory working. Qatar 3 years Kilner working.
Okay. Why do you want to go to Romania?
Romania go to the money.
Money. You want to earn money?
Yes.
Okay. You are married or unmarried?
Yeah, I am married.
Married.
Yes.
You have children?
Yes. One
Yes.
children.
Okay. Do you smoke and drink?
No.
No. Okay. Do you take the vaccine of COVID?
Yes. Finish.
Which one?
Pfizer.
Pfizer.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have anyone, friends and relatives in Romania?
No.
No.
Yes.
Okay, man. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.